Ho ho, it's me. Yeah, we doing it. Yeah, listen, check this out. I'm giving shouts out, but check this out. We're doing a green screen and we're checking it out. So since we're doing that, I'm gonna give some shout outs. First of all, I want to talk to my girl Blanche. Girl, you looking good with, I like that way you streak your hair. That's some sexy stuff. I remember you used to model back in the day. It's all good, I'm coming to SAT. My other girl right here close to me, Fantasy. You and the baby, got a beautiful baby girl. Keep it up, Z. You know how we do it. Poe, Voodoo. I gotta give a shout out to my girl Voodoo. She is doing her thing. Got a new ride, whipping it, doing her thing. I check you, girl. It's all good. My girl down in Texas, Lacey. Yo. On the money. Tell your mother I said hello. It's all good. Betty B. You know what I mean? My boy Lester, California. Shout outs to you, homie. You seen that boy doing the nod thing that I sent you? It's all good. But for real, anybody seen my son, Darnell V. Chapman? I've been looking for this guy. I can't seem to find him. Tell him I love him. He don't want to hear from me. Maybe one of y'all can tell him, hey man, your father said he loved you. I do. Anyway, Ian, tell your daddy, check this out. You know what I mean? It's all good. Some more local people. Pookie, can I say? On the patio is coming up. What we gonna do, girl? You know what I mean? And one more person. That bad Akima. That's right, I'm calling your name, girl. You know you look good. I just want to say hi. All my people on Facebook. It's all good. As you can see, we're doing a green screen. So hopefully this will be looking good. You know what I mean? So hey, yo, peace.